Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to prepare mushroom masala. Before I begin cooking, let me share with you some fun facts about mushrooms. As you all know, mushrooms are a fungus, but there are some similarities between us and mushrooms. They take in oxygen for digestion and metabolism and give out carbon dioxide as a waste product. They too produce vitamin D when they are exposed to sunlight or UV lights. Mushrooms are used in different cuisines throughout the world, hence they are known as the meat of the vegetable world. The act of collecting mushrooms is termed as mushroom hunting or mushrooming. There are few varieties of mushrooms in the wild that are highly poisonous. Thus, it is very risky to collect wild mushrooms without good knowledge. There are more than 75 species of mushrooms that actually glow in the dark. Before the invention of synthetic dyes, mushrooms were widely used for dyeing wool and other natural fibers. There is an edible mushroom in the wild that tastes like fried chicken. Yes, and it is called Lithoporus. It is also known as chicken of the woods. Now, let us dig into its nutritional facts. Mushrooms are an excellent source of niacin. It's a good source of selenium, dietary fiber, vitamin B1, B2 and D, along with some essential minerals such as copper and potassium. It contains antioxidants. They are made up of 90% water and they are low in calories, fat and sodium. Last but not the least, did you know that the rare European white truffle is the world's most expensive mushroom? Yes, that's right. Now, let me begin cooking this fungi. Keep watching! For preparing mushroom masala, I have taken mushrooms, butter, coriander leaves chopped, ginger chopped, garlic chopped, few cloves of garlic, few curry leaves, 2 green chili sliced, 2 medium-sized onions that I have roughly chopped, salt, oil, water, 10 to 12 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and for the masala, half teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, quarter teaspoons of garam masala, quarter teaspoons of pepper powder, quarter teaspoons of turmeric powder, and quarter teaspoons of coriander powder. Make sure to cover these mushrooms until it is ready for cooking. Add oil in a pan. Once it is hot, add in half teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let it sizzle. Then add in the curry leaves, green chilies, garlic, ginger, and saute well. This has changed color. I am going to add in the onion and some salt and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. The onions are sauteed well. I am going to add in all the masalas. Saute for 20 seconds and then add in the mushrooms. Now I have added the mushrooms. Let me saute. Once the mushrooms are sauteed, add in quarter cups of water. Let it boil and cover and cook this for 10 minutes. Now the water is boiling. Let me cover this and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, into the pestle, let me put in the garlic, few curry leaves, 10 to 12 peppercorns, and half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and crush it. Mushrooms are cooked well now. Let me add in a blob of butter, the crushed garlic, pepper and curry leaves, cumin seeds paste, and some coriander leaves. Saute well for 20 seconds. The mushroom masala is ready now. I am going to switch off the flame. Our tasty mushroom masala is ready now. Enjoy it with roti, fulkas or any kind of bread. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to our channel for more interesting recipes. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.